My name is Stephen Patzer, and I'm running for New York City Councilman to represent the district of Coney Island, Bensonhurst, Gravesend, Seagate. I am the product of a public school education. I am the product of a single-parent household, and I'm running for public office because I believe we need leadership that we can count on in a crisis. Our neighbors, including myself, were out there day one of the pandemic when our health and well-being was uncertain, but we did it from our hearts and we did it to serve our neighbors. And we are running a mission-driven campaign that is all about the work we do to serve our neighbors now. You can vote for Stephen Patzer and many other great candidates running for public office across the city of New York starting on June 12th. That's right, you can vote early from June 12th to June 20th, and you vote for the Democratic primary on June 22nd, 2021. Don't forget, rank Stephen Patzer #1 on your ranked choice voting ballot. Otherwise, what I always say is strong communities are built by people like us. Patzer for City Council!